Today, we'll tackle a common Discord issue, not being able to join a server. If you're experiencing this problem, stick around as we go through step-by-step solution. First, check Discord servers. First, ensure that Discord servers are operational. Sometimes the issue might be on their end. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Verify that your internet connection is stable. Discord requires a stable connection to join servers. Step 3. Check server invite link. Ensure that you're using a valid server invite link. Invite links can expire or be revoked by server admins. Step 4. Check server bans. Check if you've been banned from the server. If so, you won't be able to rejoin unless the ban is lifted. Step 5. Discord cache clearing. Clear Discord cache to fix potential issue with stored data. Open your settings. Scroll down until you find Discord, tap on storage and hit on clear cache. Now, the next step is to make sure Discord is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes that could resolve joining issues. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Discord. If there is an update available, simply tap on it. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily as they can sometimes interfere with Discord's connectivity. Simply disconnect it. Now, step 8 is to check Discord settings, especially voice and video settings, as incorrect settings can sometimes prevent server access. As a last resort, reinstall Discord to ensure a clean installation that might resolve any underlying issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to join Discord service without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.